Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a common JavaScript challenge, capitalizing the first letter of each word in a string. This is a great exercise to improve your string manipulation skills, so what are we waiting for? First, let's break down the problem. We need to take a string, split it into individual words, capitalize the first letter of each word, and then join these words back into a single string. Simple enough, right? Let's start by defining our function. We'll call it capFirst. This function will take a single parameter, which is the string that we want to process. So this is VS Code. Let's create the function capFirst. So say function capFirst, which takes a string str and now this is where we had the codes. Function body goes here. To work with each word individually, we need to split the string into an array of words. We'll use the split method for this. Now let's split the string coming using the split method, and we convert the string to an array. So let's say return the string takes the split method with double quote separated. And let's see the result of this by console logging the function. We call the function and pass a string. Let's say we pass I love you. Alright, so let's run the function. Node, and the name of the function is capFirst.js. You can see that the string has been converted to an array, and we have the I love you as the element of the array. Next, we need to capitalize the first letter of each word. We'll use the .map method to iterate over the array of words and apply our capitalization logic. Now, let's capitalize the word by making use of the .map method, and we return not just the array. We say .map, and .map takes in the first element, or takes in the element through iteration. We can say word, and we have a function, arrow function. And what do you do with the word? The first thing you do is to return the word in the first character of the word. Take it out, and for that first character you say dot to uppercase method. So it's going to take, for example, for this I, it's going to take the first character, which is the I, and capitalize it with this function. And what if we have more than one characters in a word? That means we need to add the remaining word using the slice method. Say word dot slice, skip the first character, that's one, and add the remaining words. One more thing we need to do before we go. We need to convert this array back to string, and that is where we make use of the method join. Let's apply join. So at the end of the iteration here, let's put dot join, and this time around we're also going to make use of the double quote with space as we did when we were splitting, and we save that and come back here to run the function. Wow, from I love you string back to I love you string with the first letter capitalized. And there you have it, a simple function to capitalize the first letter of each word in a string. Let's quickly have a recap of what we've done so far. The first step, we split the string into an array of words. Secondly, we capitalize the first letter of each word. Thirdly, we join the words back into a single string. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding challenges and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.